How to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your PC, your Windows PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth mouse to your Windows in easy, fast way. So first thing we do is we go to the Windows icon right here in the corner and then choose the settings option right here. And after that you need to go to devices right here and click on it, and now click add Bluetooth or other device and choose Bluetooth, and then you will be able to connect your Bluetooth mouse. My PC couldn't connect because I don't have a Bluetooth mouse, but this is how you connect it. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.